Hello everyone, it's Lydia Amanda for Portrait Creatives. In this video, we are going to talk about how to smooth skin quickly in Photoshop. So here's a shortcut if you want to quickly smooth the skin. It is not going to be perfect and it can look a little bit artificial, but if you just want to have a quick result without going to too much details and you only need a small photo, you don't need to blow up big, then this method might work for you. Let's go into Photoshop. This is beautiful Christine, and let's have a look. She has very good skin already. We don't really need to do a lot of retouching, but I'm going to show you how you can quickly to smooth skin if you want to. This method is only work on 8-bit. So first thing is go to Image, Mode, change it to 8-bits, and then duplicate the layer. Command J. So we're going to work on layer 1, okay? And then go to Filter, Blur, Smart Blur. Smart Blur, when it first came out, it does a really horrible job because it removes the texture and become plastic skin. That's what I call it in the olden days. Like all the magazine covers, they are all full of Smart Blur. It was just so plastic and they are dull looking. Nowadays, you don't see this on magazine anymore. But let's have a look. If you just need something quick, we can do it. And radius, let's just zoom out to see. Like Smart Blur was trying to keep the details of the eyes and also the mouth and keep all the skin parts blurry. That's Smart Blur, okay? So I'm going to choose high quality so it look a little bit better, right? And then I'm going to go threshold a little bit lower and then break up the radius. That's about right. So I'm going to click OK. This is something you can play with about different setup. It depends on your image size and also depends on your lighting. If it's harsh lighting, you might need to add a little bit more Smart Blur. So now it's in the process. Okay, now it's done. And you can zoom in to have a look. So it does blur out all the texture. So if you're looking for a quick method, this is something you can do. This is before, this is after, okay? So this is just the quick tutorial today. If you get value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. This is a final thought I want to share with you. One of my favorite films is Sing 2. They have so much rich character and personality in it. I love so many of the characters. So one of them is Nana, the sheep. She doesn't appear a lot in the film, but once she appears, it's so important, her existence. I think we're all looking for someone like Nana in our life, right? Like, she is so encouraging and inspiring. She is the one who use tough love. She's not gonna give you a pep talk like, you'll be okay, you're the best, everything gonna be fine. No, she doesn't do that. She does the other way around, but that is so encouraging. Like you just really just pick up someone, dust someone off, and then push him out to the world. Do it again. And that is the only way. There's no other way to be successful in a project or in any endeavor you do in life. Like when you fail, the best way to do it is like pick yourself up as soon as you can and go ahead and do it again. And Nana is the force of picking someone up and pushing him out to the world again. And when Mr. Moon was really feeling down after the rejection, a big rejection, and Nana was able to give a little talk, and then Mr. Moon is up and running again. And that's the beauty of having someone who is able to see your potential and encourage you to do something that is no one will see that is possible for you, right? And I just feel like we have, lots of people, we have ambitions, we have dreams we want to chase, but there are not many Nanas out there. And we have to start to think, if we want these people you want Nana in your life, then you have to be Nana for other people. You have to start to see other people's potential and help them, encourage them to go through obstacles. And when it's your turn to chasing your big dream, and when you have obstacles, those people will do the same for you. So this is just a little thought about life. We all need more Nanas in the world to encourage us to do more than we could imagine. This is my final thoughts to share with you. And it's Lydia Amanda for Portrait Creatives. I'll see you in the next video.